Mahalaga ang message of commitment ng mga kandidato at paglagda ng mga ito sa isinagawang Political Candidates Forum at Peace Covenant signing. Ito ang sinabi ng Philippine Army Western Mindanao Commander Lieutenant General Antonio Nafarrete na nasa likod ng hakbang na naisakatuparan sa tulong ng COMELEC at PNP. Matatanda ang ikinasa ng militar, PNP at COMELEC sa iba't ibang bayan sa Central Mindanao ang Political Candidates Forum at Peace Covenant signing.
Of course, sinabi nila yun eh. Dapat may sila, maratabat na term, di ba? Sinabi nga ni Mayor Tukaw eh, for this covenant, ang covenant niya kay Allah. And for sure, sila pare-pareho yan. For us here, it's really a challenge na make sure na dapat hindi na madagdagan ng mga incidents, election-related. And even the mayors, down to the mayors, ganun yung rito. So, ginagawa naman ng mga brigades and doing same activity sa municipal level. Of course, malaking bagay, no? Because pinakita natin sa local and national their commitment, and sila rin at the end of the day yung tatanungin kung may mangyayari dyan. I think it's the best way to reach out on both parties. Eye to eye, in front of them, telling them na ang military will not be just a watcher. And mahirap kasi yung isa-isa lang eh. To give them confidence also na ang pagkakilala ko kay ganito, I have this relationship, but when it comes to this exercise, pare-pareho pantay yung paningin ng commanders dito sa kanila.